Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Enchanted Ways. I am Danielle, and this video is something that I've been amusing on and just finally decided to share. So, you have to punch fear in the face. Like, everything that you want, everything that is your dream fulfilled, your dream manifest, your dream realized, is directly on the other side of your fear. And so I was just thinking how you have to always choose your instinct over ego, because your instinct is what always leads to your brass ring. It always leads to happiness and fulfillment, and that sense of, I'm so glad that I did this. And your ego is always attached to the negative, your regret, your losses. Your ego is always masquerading as your friend, and it's your worst enemy. And because your instinct, in its wisdom, infinite wisdom, is not going to push and not be aggressive. It's more likely and it's easier to follow your ego because it's so aggressive. It's so in your face. It's so, you need to do this. And your instinct quietly gives direction. You know what I mean? It's not pushy. It just tells you the best thing to do and lets free will take over. And so you don't always feel compelled to, but when you finally do, you'll always feel good about it. It always is the right thing to do. So that's just a little thing that I wanted to share with you guys. And somebody needs to hear it. Obviously, that's why it came through. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. Maybe later on today or tomorrow I'll start the series on magic. I've been re-brainstorming it, if you will. Like, I'm looking over my notes and it's like, there's some things that I miss that I want to add, and so I'm trying to figure out what's the best order that I should put the videos in. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned. Bye.